Hey everybody, this is David with Parts and Pieces.
Of course I gotta do this one more time before I go home. I'll do it plenty more. Almost, guys. That was third gear. No, yeah, that was third gear. Almost. Yep, see? The cord. Hold on, let's get this going. All right. through here. I'm home now. Let's see if I can get her put back here. Yes, that's how I shut it off. Oh, I don't need to do that right now. The reason I'm carrying the extra gas jug with me, I do have the original tank still in here. It's not plumbed in. Hold on a second, let me walk around here. It's not plumbed in yet. I do have everything. I'm gonna drain and clean this tank. New filter, new lines, everything. I'll tee it in. Then I'm gonna have 2 tanks. I'll probably use this as my main and this is my reserve. What'd y'all think about the little 173cc Predator engine on this bad boy? It held its own pretty good, I think, for what it is. Like I said, guys, there's a lot of little things on this thing. Y'all are, I'm gonna keep modifying them. Stuff like this, you know, I'll work the little tweaks out. It's all part of it. I'll glue this on. But like I said, I think it's a fun toy. I don't know. What do y'all think? I guess that's my biggest question. After any of y'all mud mower guys out there, you know, watching these videos and the stuff the guys have, be honest with me. Take it easy. My kids watch the channel. But be honest with me. Do y'all want to see more? I know you've seen this. It's my snapper. I bought this at a yard sale for $50, believe it or not. My wife called me. Or actually, she didn't call me. She tried to call me, and then she came home and woke me up from sleeping and said there was a yard sale down the road. She said they have a mower out there. I don't have a hood on it, but they want like $60 for it. So I ran down there and looked at it, and it ended up being this snapper. This is what it looked like when I got it, except for this. I'm not going to uncover this right now, guys. I will show you all that in the next video or two. But I will tell you, underneath there is a 23 horse Briggs extended life V-twin. Now, I'm gonna have a little fun with that one. As for that, that's about where I'm at. I want that to be more of a race mower. Here's my Murray. This is my Murray. I found it on the side of the road. Found it beside a trash can. Looks like somebody tried to build a mud mower out of it. Looks like they succeeded and had a lot of fun on it. If you can see, I'll try to get the GoPro back there, but they busted the rear end. I don't know how they busted the rear end. I was sitting there looking, but if you kind of look, you can see it's tweaked out there. I got it propped up right now, but you can see, if you can see, it's pretty jacked up. Anyhow, like I said, it has a 16.5 horse Briggs. It does turn over. It was full of water, but it also had oil mixed into it, so hopefully I can save it. Like I said, it does turn over just like it should. I put oil in it, pumped out all the oil and water, put more oil in it, did it again. There's a lot of water in it, but that'll be a video. We'll get that motor cleaned up. But that's my Murray. That's a project. The red snapper's going to be a project. I have plenty more of them to come. Like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. This is all new to me, and hopefully I did a decent enough job that it caught y'all's attention. Like I said, it's something fun, interesting to do. I hope y'all like it. Please comment, subscribe.